How you guys doing? This is Brian Eslick from HowToAutomotive.com. Wanted to give you a little tip today on when you're machining brake rotors and you get a vibration or a squeal. What you do is you take an old wheel weight, like so, and as the machine is cutting, you put it slightly behind the cutting bit. You're actually touching the cutting bit, but it's a little on the behind the side of it, and you just put a little slight pressure on it, and it takes the vibration and squeal away, and you'll get a nice smooth cut. So you can kind of hear it squealing a little bit right there. And I put this on there to take it away. That way you get a nice smooth cut. I'm going to warn you, if you use this technique, it's moving parts, and you have to be very careful not to slip off, because if you do, you can definitely get your hand caught in there. So do it with caution. Do it at your own risk. Once again, this is Brian Eslick from How To Automotive, and I'd like to thank you for watching my videos. And if you have any comments, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. And if you have a request, I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking about. Thank you.